I am back with yet another video on paper 1 people development and environment. Today we are gonna see about slides 1. In this video I will discuss about the syllabus for paper 1 on the topic people development and environment, and then I will discuss about development and environment, then millennium development and sustainable development goals. So come, let's get into the video. So first let's discuss about the syllabus. The syllabus paper 1 has 10 topics. Okay, so this is people development and environment is on 9th topic. So first the topic is development and environment, how the development and in the environment happens, and what are the millennium development goals as assigned by the United Nations on climate change. Then what is this sustainable development goals. Then second topic is human and environment interaction, how a human interacts with the environment. Then we have anthropogenic activities and their impacts on environment. Next we have environmental issues. In this we'll be discussing about local issues, regional, global issues. Then air pollution. Next is types of pollution. So we have air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, waste like solid, liquid, biomedical, hazardous and electronic waste. Next we have climate change and its socio-economic and political dimensions. Next we have impacts of pollution on human health. How are the pollutants causing impacts on human health. Another we have natural and energy resources. In this we'll be discussing on solar, wind, soil, hydro, geothermal, biomass, nuclear and forest. And next we have natural hazards and disasters. In this we'll be discussing about mitigation and the strategies, what to do, how to control the natural hazards, what can we do. So that's what, and what are the disasters like volcano, soil erosion, like that. Next we have the very important Environmental Protection Act. Go through these acts. On the Environmental Protection Act on 1986, and next one is National Action Plan on Climate Change. Another one we have international agreements and what are the efforts taken on these acts. Then we have the protocols. Please do remember all the protocols: Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, conventions, biodiversity, Paris Agreement, International and Solar Alliance. These are the topics given for us in the section on people development and environment. Today we will be discussing only the first topic, development and environment, and the millennium development goals. There are 8 millennium development goals and 17 sustainable development goals. Come, let's get into the topics. Development and environment. The word conservative strategy initiated by the United Nations Environment Program, the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Please do remember the abbreviations, they may ask abbreviations also, and International Union for Conservation of Nature provided the platform for international debate on sustainability. The most noteworthy step towards sustainable development is the publication of international report titled Our Common Future by World Commission on Environment in 1987. This is commonly known as the Brundtland Report. The report defined sustainable development that meets the needs of the present people without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In this we'll be discussing, in this they are telling that we need to protect the environment for our future purposes also. That is what they are discussing here in this development and environment. The continuation, according to this report, the Brundtland Report, according to this report, the major objective of development should be to ensure the satisfaction of human needs. It should ensure the satisfaction of human needs and aspirations of a material kind. It emphasized the fact that over exploitation of resources may compel human societies to compromise their ability to meet the essential needs of the people in future. Example like settled agriculture, the diversion of water courses, the extraction of minerals, the emission of heat and noxious gases into the atmosphere, commercial forest and genetic manipulation were all mentioned in the report as examples of human intervention in the natural system during the course of development. It called upon all countries to adopt the objectives of sustainable development as overriding goal and test of national policy and international cooperation. 3 Earth Summits were held under the auspices of the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development in 1992, 1997 and 2000. three. First in 1992, second in 1997, and third one is 2000. There are three Earth summits are held. Over 170 countries participated in the summits, renewed their commitment to sustainable development, aiming at giving special attention to the worldwide conditions that pose severe threats to the sustainable development of the people, which include chronic hunger, malnutrition, foreign occupation, armed conflict, illicit drug problems, corruption, natural disasters, communicable diseases, in particular HIV, AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis. After these summits, sustainable development has become a universal theme to describe the amalgamation of environmental opportunities and human wisdom. Millennium Development Goals. There are 8 Millennium Development Goals. This is very important. Please do remember. In September 2000, at the UN Millennium Summit, the UN General Assembly adopted the United Nations Millennium Declaration. The declaration, which called for a global partnership to reduce extreme poverty, was the first ever global strategy with quantifiable targets to be agreed upon by all UN member states and the world's leading development institutions. To support the declaration, former UN General Secretary Kofi Annan established 8 accompanying objectives to combat poverty, hunger, diseases, illiteracy, environmental degradation. These were the problems spoken, and they gave solutions for these problems like poverty, hunger, and disease and illiteracy, where Kofi Annan, the UN General Assembly, he has given 8 Millennium Development Goals. Come, let's get into that. 8 Millennium Development Goals. And discrimination against women. These objectives listed below were set with the deadline of 2015 and became known as the Millennium Development Goals. You should remember, Millennium Development Goals should be achieved by 2015, and Sustainable Development Goals, the 17 goals, should be achieved by 2030. Please do remember, 2015 Millennium Development, 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. 8 Millennium Development Goals. Please do remember, these are very important. Take note of it. Eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality and empower women, reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases, and ensure environmental sustainability, develop a global partnership for development. These are the 8 Millennium Development Goals. I posted it as picture. Please do look at it, okay? Next is Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals are 17, were adopted in September 2015 as part of the resolution Transforming Our World, the 2000 Agenda for Sustainable Development. India is committed to achieve the 17 Sustainable Development Goals and the 169 associated targets, which comprehensively cover social, economic and environmental dimensions of development and focus on ending poverty in all its forms and dimensions. At the central government level, Niti Aayog has been assigned the role of overseeing the implementation of SDGs in the country to spread awareness. Sustainable Development Goals are mainly designed to spread awareness about the goals, bringing together the stakeholders and build capacities for realization of SDGs. Niti Aayog has organized several national and regional level consultations. There are 17-18 development goals. Come, let's see into it. First one is no poverty, next is zero hunger, third one is good health and well-being, fourth one is quality education, fifth one is gender equality, next one is clean water goals, affordable and decent work and economic goals, and industry innovations. So with this we are completing on people and environment. Thank you all. With regards to NetSet Dream Paper 1, for more details to know about our channel, subscribe to us at NetSet Dream Paper 1. So meet you all tomorrow. Until then, bye from Karthik, admin at NetSet Dream Paper 2 channel and Paper 1 channel. Happy learning to all. Thank you all for listening to this video on people, development and environment. Thank you all once again.